Adriana Lima eye makeup tutorial. First, I used a color corrector in the shade Light Cherry from Huda Beauty underneath my eyes. I buffed it out with this little brush, after which I applied some concealer directly over top of the areas where I had color corrector, and I buffed that out as well. I like to set my under eye and over eye area with a tiny bit of powder. For this look, I mainly used the Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess Quad because it's a very neutral palette. You can use any palette, but I like this one and I had it handy, so I thought I would use it. I started with this light transition shade and put it all over my lids up to my brow bone. Now I'm going to take this slightly brownish shade and put it above where my crease would normally be, and then brush it upwards and kind of outwards. I did apply a couple of layers of this so that it would show up properly. Using this brown, really gorgeous brown shimmer shade on the outer aspects of both of my lids before I apply a MAC Dazzle eyeshadow over top in the shade Oh So Glitzy. I use my fingers to apply this because I find that it picks up and deposits product better than a brush. Using this Natasha Denona white highlighter on the inner corners of both of my eyes as well. This look is very eyeliner based, so I'm using my favorite NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black. I'm going to use this for creating that upward cat eye look. I basically lined my top lash line with this, and I followed the natural curve of my eye, which is upturned on the outer aspect, and then on the inner aspect I kind of went down a little bit, as you see. And then I'm also going to pay a bit of attention to the bottom lower outer aspect of my eye with eyeliner. This was kind of a messier look for me to do, so I did have to clean up with a Q-tip and micellar water. Using L'Oreal Infallible eye pencil for my waterline. This is a beautifully dark pencil and it applies very, very well. I wanted to get a really dark line, so you'll notice that I'm going over it a couple of times. The L'Oreal eyeliner is really, really good for really smudging and giving that really beautiful, elegant look. And I'm now applying L'Oreal Extensionist Mascara underneath where I'm going to be applying my faux eyelashes. I apply lashes off camera because I can never get them right. So for my base, I'm starting with Hollywood Flawless Filter Glow. I believe it is shade 4, but I'm going to list all of the products in the description. And for foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard. I love this foundation. It has a really, really beautiful finish and I use it quite frequently. Because I have the bone structure of a potato, I'm using a decent amount of liquid contour from Rare Beauty in the shade Solace. I love this one, and I use it quite frequently as well. For blush, I'm using this gorgeous, gorgeous blush from Yves Saint Laurent. I will list the shade in the caption. I can't quite remember the shade name right now, but I do use this one quite frequently as well. And for lipstick, I'm going to use Diva by MAC. I don't have the exact color, but this is the closest I had. So here is my final look, inspired by Adriana Lima. Obviously, I'm not going to look as good as her, but if you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching.